Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your Axis Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, search for Axis Bank Login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option, the official website of Axis Bank. Click on it and it will redirect you to the take you to the official website of Axis Bank. Over here you can see the login button. Click on it and click on personal login. It will redirect you to the login portal of Axis Bank, and over here enter your login ID or customer ID of the bank, and in the password section enter your password. To confirm what you typed, you can click here on the eye icon, and once you do that, click on login. You will be logged into your Axis Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your customer ID or your password, you guys can reset it by clicking here forgot customer ID and forgot password. So this is how you can log in into your Axis Bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.